Alright.
The Bikini Bottom High School dance was supposed to be my chance to sparkle.
Who is that?
Wait a minute, pal. Say that again.
Okay, the Bikini Bottom High School dance was
Grinder.
supposed to be my chance to sparkle.
Okay, you can stop. I think I have an idea.
Pop in.
Are you done yet?
All set. Close your eyes and get ready to sparkle.
Patriot.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! What do you think?
I don't know, SpongeBob. What will my friends say?
We shall see.
Test.
Are you sure?
Shh. Trust me.
Pearl, we're here to pick you up for that. Wow! Pearl,
Max
you look
Destruction.
amazing.
I do.
Well, no, actually not amazing. Sparkling and shiny and amazing.
Scarlet Bandit.
Scarlet
To
Bandit.
the Bikini Bottom High School dance.
Right.
Have a good time, carefree teens.
Gravedigger.
SpongeBob,
Right,
the
Digger.
entire collection of Princess Juice is gone. Have you seen it?
Of course. Pearl's wearing it to the Bikini Bottom High School dance.
Who is that?
Please,
Dog.
stop that wail.
I promised Mr. Krabs I wouldn't let him down, and I have
Monster Mutt.
fulfilled that promise.
Mutt.
It's SpongeBob's best day ever. The all-day marathon will be right back.
He's the most kind-hearted warrior the world has ever known.
This one?
Guys, there you are.
Avenger.
I was about to clean your room.
But tomorrow, there's another side
Background.
to this peaceful panda.
That ain't Backdraft.
I thought you were supposed to
Let
be
me see.
warriors.
Now it's Poe versus Poe. And it does.
Bad something. I can't read it from that far.
That is. They have. That have it.
Deadly.
So true.
In the 1-hour Kung Fu
Hot
Panda
Wheels.
premiere event, Poe is back.
Hot Wheels leading the way.
Size, you're not the boss of me.
Scariest,
King Crunch.
rudest enemy ever.
Punch.
Himself.
You stay down here forever, and I get to be the one and only Dragon Warrior. I'm
Bounty Hunter.
Find that one.
Be here for the 1-hour
Look.
Kung Fu Panda
Backdraft.
premiere event.
Backdraft.
Bad Poe. Tomorrow night starting at 8.
Who is this?
Awesome.
Spike.
You are my favorite friend. And baby to the bunch and the fun never ends. Hey there, baby. Skyly interacts and plays with you and Baby. New from I Love Robot. Batteries not included.
Shock Therapy.
Not
What's the coolest thing about Mud Kids? The secret
Batman.
code that unlocks Mud Kids World. Cooking, games, prizes, fashion show. The coolest thing is
Who is that one? That's your new one. I don't know who that is.
We're going online. Each
Let me see. Hold it up.
Inkus. You start with Inkus, like so. Take your marker and
Baby, what's that say?
Inkus never looked
Jurassic Attack.
Inkus.
Jurassic Attack.
Wash, then redo. New Inkus.
Who is that?
Clip on washable markers.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
That's all.
Amazing.
That's all. How many is that?
Take this. It is a piece of me.
Keep going. 13. 14.
This instantly threw me into new
17. 18. 19. 19 of them.
Little mommy, my very real baby.
All right.
Better, Mama. I'll go.
Now put on the big